In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not allowing me to attach files. This is a common issue, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, we need to check the file size of the attachment. Gmail allows attachments up to 25 megabytes. If your file exceeds this limit, you will not be able to attach it. You can easily check the file size on your computer. Right-click on the file and select Properties or Get Info depending on your operating system. If your file is larger than 25 megabytes, don't worry. You can upload it to Google Drive instead and share the link in your email. This ensures your recipients can access the file without any issues. Next up, let's refresh Gmail. Sometimes simply refreshing the page can resolve minor glitches. To do this, press the F5 key on your keyboard or click the refresh button in your browser. Once the page reloads, try to attach the file again. This step is simple but often effective. It can help reset any temporary issues that might be preventing your attachment from being processed. Now, we need to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores data that can cause problems with loading websites, including Gmail. To do this, open your browser settings. Look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Here, you will find an option to clear your cache and cookies. Select this option and confirm the action. Once the cache and cookies are cleared, restart your browser. This helps ensure that you're loading the freshest version of Gmail, which can resolve attachment issues. After clearing the cache, let's disable any browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with Gmail's functionality, particularly ad blockers. Start by going to the extension section of your browser. You can often find this in the main menu. Look for Manage Extensions or a similar option. Once there, toggle off or remove any ad blockers and other extensions you may have installed. After doing this, refresh Gmail again. This step is crucial as it eliminates potential conflicts that could be preventing your attachments from going through. At this point, it's important to check your Google account storage. Sometimes, the issue stems from a lack of available storage space. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of Gmail. This will take you to your account settings, where you can see how much storage you have left. If your storage is full, you will need to delete unwanted files or emails to free up space. This is important because if your account is out of storage, you won't be able to send or receive files. Once you have completed these steps, try attaching your file again. This thorough approach should resolve the issue. Remember that technology can be finicky at times, but by systematically checking each potential problem area, you can usually find a solution. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps tailored to your specific situation. I hope this video has helped you fix the issue of Gmail not allowing you to attach files. Follow these steps and you'll be back to sharing your important documents in no time. Thank you for watching.